Hashtag Mandarin, English to Bisaya, so subscriber to follow, word of the day, he, reader, sa Bisaya, sapa. So somehow, good morning, maayong buntag, somehow, good afternoon, maayong hapon, one somehow, good evening, maayong gabi, sisip, ahas, salamat, ikaw, hello, kumusta? Ni hao ma, how are you? Kumusta ka? Why now? Ayaw tayo, maayo man, mapunta lang, ang lakway,